Have you been dreaming of updating your kitchen and reaping the benefits of a functional, beautiful space? Then keep reading for the tips to help you achieve your desire. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Number 1, figure out how much money you have available to spend on the project. Add together costs for materials, labor, and any other expenses that may come up either before or post renovations. Number 3, research neighborhoods with similar homes to get inspiration on more modern designs. Number 4, think about safety of the workers before you begin. Number 5, consider the resale of your home and the rise of the home's value before you begin. Number 6, plan a schedule for work. Remember that according to studies, moving people from one house to another takes time. If you aren't ready to start your kitchen remodeling project right away, find out if neighboring homes available for you to stay will fall within the budgeted amount of money needed for demolition and construction. Number 7, if you are in the market for a kitchen remodeling contractor, be sure to get several bids. Let us discuss the tips to make kitchen remodeling affordable. The kitchen is one of the most practical projects you can do when updating your home. It is also one of the most expensive, so taking advantage of these tips could save you money. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of tips to help you get started on kitchen remodeling. Please drop your comments below telling me where you are watching from. And if you are enjoying this video, please like and share so others can benefit from the knowledge. Number 1, find out your spending limit. This includes the amount needed for everything that needs to be replaced. If not, go back and figure out what you can afford without breaking the bank. Number 2, look for wide open spaces and great light. Number 3, consider if you can do it yourself or hire a contractor. If you can't, check out if the contractor has experience working with these issues. Number 4, if you are looking for appliances and countertops for your new kitchen, it is also a good idea to buy high-quality appliances even if they do cost more. As long as you are staying in your home, they will only depreciate but will remain yours. Number 5, if you are building a kitchen from scratch, make sure your kitchen is large and roomy enough to fit everything and any guest that visits. Your kitchen will need LEDs. LED lights are the latest trend in kitchen lighting. They are more energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and can save you money on your electricity bill. LED lights use only a fraction of the energy and they last for 50,000 hours or more. LED lights also require little maintenance. LED tubes are also easier to integrate into the custom kitchen. Let us discuss the other accessories needed for kitchen remodeling. There are many other kitchen appliance and accessory options to consider to make your kitchen custom fitted to your exact needs. Kitchen cabinets come in a wide range of materials, finishes, and design options. Instantly change the entire look of your kitchen with new tiles. Visit a few kitchen design showrooms to find out the latest kitchen trends and to get a sense of how they will work for your kitchen. Thank you for watching our video that explains tips to help you get started on kitchen remodeling. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.